Well, I really have to say our outdoor space here is coming along beautifully. You'll notice our bench now has extended from the kitchen outwards. We're just waiting for the bench tops to go on. It's going to be fantastic. Julia's gone and got all the outdoor furniture ready. We're waiting to get that installed, and when she is here, we're going to sort of style this together. Our barbecue is ready. It's going to find its little place as well. Now, one of the important things of having an area like this is being able to use it all year round, and there's a really good way to do it. In the cooler months, when it's a little bit cool to come outside and people quite often stay inside because it's a little bit cool, it's a shame that you can't use the outdoors. But we're going to install some outdoor heating to make this area usable all year round. You might notice up there on the eave, we've got one installed already, and that's been flush mounted. These ones here are the HEATSTRIP Classic by Thermofilm. Now, these are really easy to install. You'll notice here that there's a couple of brackets at the back here. They're fully adjustable, so I can, if you notice here, there's a little screw on the side there. I can unwind that and get my tilt the way I want it to, and I can also slide them across, so I'll always be able to get the fixing that I need. These guys come in a different range of sizes, so you'll always be able to find one to suit your space. Now, I'm going to get a friend here to give me a hand to pop this up, because sometimes working overhead can be a little bit awkward. Well, 4 screws, it's installed, it looks fantastic. Now, we'll be getting my Sparky mate in to finish it off. He's gonna get it all wired up for me, and he's also gonna wire in one of these, a controller that I can mount inside, and I've got full control over the heat. It's got a timer on it, it's perfect. With these heaters, they look fantastic, they're sleek. You almost wouldn't know that they're there, but when you're sitting under them, you can certainly feel the heat. Unlike a gas heater, which seems to take up a lot of floor space and they can look a bit cumbersome and a little bit ugly, whereas these heat strips send out a radiant heat. So if you're sitting in their path, you're going to feel the heat, you're going to be outdoors, you're going to be using this space more often, and that will make me very happy.